peeling lead-based paint. Exciting. Okay. Downstairs. Temperature is dropping. So this is the foundation of the house. All these little tiny bricks. And it's supposed to be lime mortar. So this is the water shutoff for the whole house. And that's the water meter for the water company to pay for my water. No idea what any of this is. No idea what this cistern was for. This behemoth is an oil tank. I have a wide angle lens on right now. This thing's huge. It's taller than me. Yep, it's gotta go. Hasn't been used in, I think 15 years. So has some air light access spots that I believe when I reduce the dirt level outside, I'm gonna get some improved air flow in here, which will improve the ventilation for the whole house. You can see how this has been filled in for these pipes. But as soon as possible, I want to get this oil tank out of here. And related to that is this oil burning furnace. All of this is going to get taken out. We have some asbestos wrapped pipes down here. And I don't know, this space in here is huge. I'm not sure what I'll do with it when it's empty, but empty it's going to be. This is the first of many metal wine racks. I was told that there's enough rack space for about 1,000 bottles down here, so we'll see. That's fun. Okay. Good. No, we don't know what the key is for this one. Lovely asbestos. My dad was asking about how the floor is held up. Well, there you go. Good old-fashioned Roman arches. And this is just a lintel. The door. There's another place where you're supposed to be able to see outside, and it's been filled in. So, a mystery to be solved. Another mystery to be solved is, what is this? I walked through here with the cellar, and we were thinking that, well, I was thinking maybe it was originally an old fireplace, you know, like for heating from below the house. You can see where there's rounded stones here. Like this might be an open hearth here. Maybe this is where they had maybe it was the cooking kitchen, you know, cooking fireplace that heated the house as well. When I get an architect, I'm hoping that she's going to be interested in digging in and finding out what the story is. So yeah, not seeing any beams or anything. It's all just arches, and that's interesting. That looks like some of the exterior water runoffs. Wonder if that was something to do with the internal plumbing at some point. Yeah, lovely asbestos. Don't eat it. Okay, a little bit dark in here, but here's wine racks. Get a better view on this side. Wine racks. Who's going to come visit me and go explore the local wineries and pick some wines to fill these racks and fill out these little chalkboards with the wine and the year. Another access to outside, also blocked up. I think that one has a metal cover on it. That might have been for an old gas light back in the Victorian days. So, let's see. Okay, I went back and turned the slide on so we're not coming into the darkness. More wine racks. Just walked through a spider web, my favorite. Lots of wine racks. Another locked gate to make sure your wine is well protected. Here's another access. You know, might have been an old coal chute or something. Oh, knob and wire. Knob and yeah, early wiring. And I don't know. It's a mystery. I don't think this was originally a window, but maybe it was. Maybe it was. Maybe it was extended higher up. Definitely curious, because it would help these stones to breathe if the dirt wasn't as high up on the wall on the outside as it is. I mean, look, this is, if that's ground level up there, this is easily 10, 12 feet down to here. So get some air on the stone would be good. So, lovely bench area. And more keys. These are all duplicates of this key. And this is the second set of stairs back up to the main floor.